Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes of St. Joseph's Academy. I am Akanksha, your GK teacher. Today, I am going to discuss Chapter 20, that is India's Superlatives. So let's start. Children, see the picture of this lake. This is the largest lake and its name is Waller Lake. Waller Lake is one of the largest freshwater lakes in Asia and it is seated in Jammu and Kashmir in India. The lake basin was formed as a result of tectonic activity and is fed by the Jhelum River. The lake's size varies seasonally from 30 to 189 square kilometers. This is the picture of Tehri Dam. It is the highest dam. The Tehri Dam is the highest dam in India. It is a multi-purpose rock and earth-fill embankment dam on the Bhagirathi River near Tehri in Uttarakhand. The Tehri Dam withholds a reservoir for irrigation, municipal water supply and the generation of 1,000 megawatt of hydroelectricity. The dam 1,000 megawatt variable speed pump storage scheme is currently under construction with expected commissioning in 2022. This is the Thar Desert, the largest desert in India. Children, the Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert, is a large arid region in the northwestern part of the Indian subcontinent and covers an area of 200,000 kilometers square and forms a natural boundary between India and Pakistan. It is the world's 20th largest desert. It is in Rajasthan. The next picture given to us is of Buland Darwaja in Uttar Pradesh. It is the highest gate. Buland Darwaza, or the Door of Victory, it is said to be as the Door of Victory also, was built in 1575 by the Mughal Emperor Akbar to commemorate his victory over Gujarat. It is the main entrance to the Jama Masjid at Fatehpur Sikri, which is 43 kilometers from Agra. Buland Darwaza is the highest gateway in the world and is an example of Mughal architecture also. This picture given to us is of Rashtrapati Bhavan. It is the largest residence and situated in Delhi. Rashtrapati Bhavan is the official residence of the President of India at the western end of Rajpath in Delhi. Rashtrapati Bhavan may refer to only the 340-room main building that has the President's official residence, including reception hall, guest room, and offices, also called the mansion. It may also refer to the entire 130 hectares presidential estate that additionally includes the presidential garden, that is Mughal garden, large open space, residence of bodyguards and staff, stable, other office and utilities within its perimeter wall. In the term of area, it is the largest residence of any head of state in the world. This picture given to us is of the river Ganga, originate from Gangotri and is the longest river. The river Ganga is a trans-boundary river of Asia which flows through India and Bangladesh. The 2,525-kilometer river rises in the western Himalayas in the Indian state of Uttarakhand and flows south and east through the Gangetic Plain of North India into Bangladesh, where it empties into the Bay of Bengal. The next picture given to us is of highest waterfall and the name is Kunchikal Falls. It is 445-meter high and is in Karnataka. Kunchikal Falls is located Nidagoru village near Shimoga district of state Karnataka. Kunchikal Falls cascades down rocky boulders and the total height fall is 4,445 meters according to the World Waterfall Database. Kunchikal Fall is formed by Varahi River. The next picture given to us is of highest mountain peak of India, that is Kanchenjunga. Its height is 8,586 meters in Himalayas. Kanchenjunga is the third highest mountain in the world. It rises with an elevation of 8,586 meters in a section of Himalayas called Kanchenjunga Himal Del Limited in the west by the Tamar River, in the north by the Lohang Chau and Dong La, and in the east by the Teesta River. This picture given to us is of Qutub Minar, the tallest tower in it is in Delhi. The Qutub Minar is a minaret and the Victory Tower that forms parts of Qutub Complex. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site in the Mehrauli area of Delhi. It is one of the most visited tourist spots in the city due to it being one of the earliest that survives in the Indian subcontinent. Now children, you have to do this work in your notebook also. Write down the heading, identify these superlatives of India and write their names. The largest lake is Waller Lake. Highest dam, Tehri Dam. Largest desert is Thar. Highest gate is Buland Darwaza. Largest residence is Rashtrapati Bhavan. Longest river, the river Ganga. Highest waterfall is Kunchikal Falls. Highest mountain peak is Kanchenjunga, and the tallest tower is Qutub Minar. You have to do this work in your notebook and learn it. Thank you so much.